Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Bridge construction. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Here you come, construction fleet. This is the task for building the bridge. I can count on you for bridge construction. Our construction fleet is a group of little expert builders. You can count on us. I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. The bridge pier is set up. I am the crane, and I will complete the task of lifting the bridge deck. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the concrete road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. Construction fleet, the bridge you have built is so amazing. Here is a construction badge for you as a reward. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can lift heavy goods? Crane, road roller, bulldozer. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can compact the bumpy road to make it level? Dump truck, road roller, excavator. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can mark neat zebra crossings? Marking machine, concrete mixer, road roller. You are right! You've got it all correct. Great! Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Factory rescue! Oh no! Whiskers and Momo were trapped in the factory by the mudslide. Here you come, construction fleet. Please rescue Whiskers and Momo. Don't worry, I will rescue them right away. Whiskers is pressed down by a big tree. Let's rescue him first. First, let's be careful not to let Whiskers get hit by the broken stones when you shovel the pile of stones. My task is completed, and I will leave the task of lifting the tree to the crane. I am the crane. Let's secure the big tree with a rope before lifting it. Construction fleet, thank you for saving me. You are welcome, Whiskers. We need to rescue Momo right away. Momo is trapped in the basement. Let's rescue her right away. The entrance to the basement has been blocked by a slate. Let's remove the slate first. The slate is too large. I need to change a drill bit to break the slate. Now, let's break the slate. And then change a bucket to remove the broken stones. The entrance is wide open. I will leave the rest of the task to the crane. I am the crane, and I can lift Momo out of the basement. Drag the equipment onto the lifting hook and drop it into the basement for Momo. Help Momo put on the equipment. Safety hat, gloves, safety harness. Don't worry, Momo. I will help you out right away. Okay, construction fleet, I can count on you. You are great, construction fleet. Here's a rescue badge for you to express our gratitude. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can help mix concrete for paving the road? Concrete mixer, bulldozer, excavator. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can lift big trees? Excavator, dump truck, crane. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can carry materials? Excavator, concrete mixer, dump truck. You are right! You've got it all correct. Great! Let's Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed.